Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install Private Internet Access, or PIA VPN, on your Apple TV. It's easier than you might think, and this guide will walk you through every step. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel and tech tips. We really appreciate your support.
Okay, so why PIA VPN on your Apple TV?
Well, using a VPN can help you bypass geo-restrictions, protect your privacy, and even improve streaming speeds in some cases. PIA is a reliable and popular choice. Now the bad news, Apple TV doesn't natively support VPN apps directly. But don't worry, there's a clever workaround. We're going to use your router to set up the VPN. This means all devices connected to your router will be protected by the VPN, not just your Apple TV. Here's what you'll need.
Asterisk your Apple TV.
Asterisk a computer, laptop or desktop. Asterisk a PIA VPN subscription, obviously. Asterisk access to your router settings.
Okay, let's get started.
This process involves three main steps. 1. Preparing your PIA account.
Asterisk.
First, head over to the PIA website and log into your account. You need to find your PIA username and password for manual configuration. This is different from your regular login credentials. Look for something like VPN username or OpenVPN username. Write it down, because we'll need it later. You might also need to generate an OpenVPN password within your PIA account settings. The PIA website instructions will guide you. 2. Setting up the VPN on your router.
Asterisk. This is the crucial step.
Now, we need to log into your router's admin panel. The method to do this varies depending on your router brand. Usually, you can find the router's IP address by typing IP protocol configuration in command prompt on Windows or ifconfig in terminal on Mac. Look for the default gateway address. Type this address into your web browser's address bar. You'll be prompted to enter your router's username and password. This is not your Wi-Fi password. If you haven't changed it, it's usually on a sticker on the router itself, or you can find the default credentials online by searching for your router model. Once you're in your router's admin panel, look for the VPN settings. The exact location depends on your router. Look for sections labeled VPN Client, VPN Server, OpenVPN, or something similar. Now, you'll need to configure the VPN using the information from your PIA account. This is where those username and password from step 1 come in handy. You'll also need a PIA server address. PIA provides a list of server addresses on their website. Choose a server location based on your needs. For example, if you want to access US content, choose a US server. The specific settings you'll need to input will vary based on your router. Common settings include asterisk protocol asterisk usually OpenVPN. Asterisk server address asterisk the PIA server address you chose. Asterisk username asterisk your PIA VPN username. Asterisk password asterisk the OpenVPN password you generated. Asterisk encryption asterisk usually AES 256 or AES 128. Check PIA's recommended settings. Asterisk authentication asterisk usually SHA 256 or SHA 1. Check PIA's recommended settings. Once you've entered all the information, save the settings and enable the VPN connection on your router. Your router might need to restart for the changes to take effect. 3. Connecting your Apple TV to the router. This is the easy part.